Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to learn sorting. Okay, so this is our new chapter from DSS. So I am going to use this website Greek Food Weeks. So a sorting is the algorithm is used to rearrange a given array. Okay, so here we can rearrange the given array or list of element in an order. Okay, for example, given array equals to 10 20 5 2. Okay, so 10 comma 20 comma 5 comma 2, so it become like this: 2 comma 5 comma 10 comma 20. Okay, so after sorting it in increasing order. Okay, so this is the increasing order of this array. Okay, and if you have like 20 10 5 2, so this will become after sorting in decreasing order. Okay, so if you want to decreasing order, so you need to put the largest element first, after that second element who is lesser than first element. So here you can see this is a decreasing and decrease, this is the array in decreasing order. Okay, 20 comma 10 comma 5 comma 2, and this is the array in the form of increasing order: 2 comma 5 comma 10 comma 20. So here you can see there are existing different sorting algorithm for different type of inputs, like for example binary array, character array, or array with a large range of value, or array with the multiple duplicates, or a small versus large array. So algorithm may also differ according to the output requirement. So we have different algorithm according to our need or according to our output requirement. So for example, stable sorting maintain original order of the equal element or not stable. Okay, sorting is provided in the library implementation of the most of the programming language. These sorting functions typically are general purpose function with flexibility of providing the expected sorting order, increasing or decreasing, or by specific key in case of object. Okay, so here we need to learn some important sorting algorithm, because there is a lots of algorithm uh, in sorting. Okay, so here you can also see introduction of the sorting. Sorting refers to the rearrangement of a given array or list of the element according to a comparison operator or the element. The comparison operator is used to decide the new order of the element in respective data structure. Okay, so this is the unsorted array 7 2 5 1 4. Sorted array 1 2 4 5 7. Okay, this is the sorted array. So here you can see bubble sort array, selection sort array, counting sort array, insertion sort array. So in bubble sort, repeatedly swap adjacent element if they are in wrong order. Okay, and selection sort, select the minimum element and place it at the correct position in each pass. Okay, so we will going to learn these algorithm. So insertion sort, insert each element into its correct position in the sorted position, and counting algorithm used to continue to sort the element in linear time but best for integer in a limited range.